can't teach us from Bobby's.
Hey guys, this is Mr. A Crazy here, and tonight we're watching fireworks. So they're really nice and cool and neat, magical. Wow, woo. So really nice. It's dark.
You like them, Bob?
I think I really like fireworks. I know this reminds me of Disney World. Yeah. Whoa! Did you guys see that? Whoa! Wow. Really nice, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Really nice. So I still think it's not that loud. Like I don't need my headphones or stuff like that. I don't know. But they're still really neat. Whoa. Did you guys see that? Really nice. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
Yep.
These are kind of good, right?
Yeah, so.
They're far away. They're not loud.
Yeah, not that loud.
And they're pretty.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, that was just my dad.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know you were recording.
Yeah, so that's okay. Anyways, they're pretty, like really nice.
Dad, I'm missing them.
Really nice. So
Can I find my iPad?
so I think I'm out of time. So I'm gonna go watch the rest of the fireworks. So goodbye, everybody, and happy 4th of July. And that's about it.